Jovica, and I'm broadcasting from Jovica TV. Today, I want to discuss about the news I saw on Gist Me news, online news media, the platform, and that news says, "Don't allow my husband to buy in DSS cell." Kano's wife beg Justice Omotosho. I repeat, if you're joining me now, I want to discuss on the statement made by Uchechi Okukano, the wife of Nnamdi Kanu. I want to use her statement to address Simon Ekpa's case. I want to combine both of them because I also heard on news, somebody chatted me privately that Simon Ekpa has been released. They even paid him a compensation of 50 million naira. I also went online, I saw it. Then today, I saw on the news, "Don't allow my husband to buy in DSS cell." Kano's wife begged Justice Omotosho. I want to marry Simon Ekpa. And this statement, among other things about this, your agitation. Let me tell you guys, I want to pray before I continue. Father, guide my utterance. Help me to say the truth. And when I say the truth, let no man prevail over the truth. Let the truth prevail over any human being. Any effort that will be put to place to attack, to do evil on me or anybody around me, they will all see their doom and shame. So long as we maintain the truth, Lord, give us divine protection. Expose them as they plan. Give us the insight as you have always been doing. And let your name be glorified. And let this liberate many people that have been caged and be tied down with fake narrative. Thank you, Lord, for hearing me. If I pray in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen. Okay. With this news now, you can see, please, I won't be welcoming anybody for now. Hear me before I begin to welcome anybody. I won't welcome anybody on TikTok. TikTok is going to be later. I want to do this broadcast about 30 minutes. I will stop the Facebook and the YouTube. Then TikTok, I may continue with you guys. So I don't want to welcome anybody. You can keep your request for now. Let me discuss about this guy. You know, one thing I discover about this, my brothers, our Igbo brothers, anybody who want to scam you people, he knows how to come in and put up a scam. Recently, in my community, I heard the news of one of our brothers in the community, our youth. He put his father in a house, lock up everywhere so that the man will not come out, and put fuel on it. It took the intervention of our youth people to run and bring that man out. Do you know that guy? If you rush him and ask you why did he do that, he will tell you that the father is not supporting Biafra, and the people will clap for him. I didn't say the boy says so because I have prayed and I started this broadcast. I want to maintain that I'm saying the truth. I didn't say the boy says so, but I'm using it as an example to you to know how wicked it is for a boy to set the father ablaze life. But if some of you rush that boy and he will tell you it is Biafra that the man said Biafra is not going to come, that's why I did it. Do you know that some of you will clap for him? That is exactly what this agitation has turned your brain into. Because the crime these guys has committed, the evidence are there. But the more we present it to you, the more you throw hatred on us. I also saw a young man called me. I thought that I was sleeping. You know, here in America, I'm supposed to be sleeping by now. This is what's the time now? 2:06, 2:06 the midnight. Today is Friday, 2:06 a.m. Friday. Is it 16th? 16th, am I correct? Yes, Friday, 16th or 17th. Thereabouts, should be 16th. Yeah. I think 16th. So, what was I even saying? Holy Spirit, help me. I'm forgetting what I'm saying. I don't like interruption when I'm talking. Okay, so there was a point I wanted to raise now. Okay. I'm going to talk about it, about the bandit. I'm going to talk about it. You guys have talked so much because there's no way I can talk about it without hitting hard on Nnamdi Kanu. That's why I've been avoiding it. But you guys have been pushing me. Talk about bandit. Talk about bandit. I will talk about it now in this video. But I don't want to sit 30 minutes. I think the bandit, you want to hear it, you will hear now. Now, so I discovered that when people, I have exposed Simon Ekpa's where he was buying gun. Some of you say, no, it is the right thing. He's fighting for your Biafra. But I have told you so many lies about this guy, showing that he's not fighting for your Biafra. You guys, instead of you loving me, appreciating me, you are cursing me and lay curse on me. Back to the story of my kinsman that wanted to burn his father alive. There's something I discovered at that place. Do you know the guy who did this, his grandfather saw the father on top of palm tree. So as the father was on top of that palm tree, what did he do? He quickly used something to flog the father because he was angry with the father. The father fell down. Now, this man that did this to the father, to his own father, also did the same thing to his own son, did the same thing to him. Sorry, he did it to his own father. I don't know how to describe it. He said, okay, let me use myself, but not me. Me now. Let me be the boy that wanted to burn his father. So, his father he wanted to burn. Used Ken to flog his grandfather when he was on top of the palm tree to do his and flog him. And the father fell on the ground and lost his life. This is how this man left this world. It's been recorded that he killed his father. Now look at him, his son now has put him inside to burn him. I also had his father, that his grandfather, also contributed to what made his father to buy. Have you seen how a generational curse is flowing from the ancestral life? Now, so many of you are attracting this kind of curse to yourself. Somebody is saying the truth. Somebody called me. I was sleeping here. Yes, I remember it now. Someone was sleeping. A young man called. I missed the call about 7 times. And what did he tell me? He said, what is that? He saw me on social media. They put RIP on me. They put RIP on me. And I was telling him, my brother, we didn't start seeing this kind of propaganda. I have never seen an organization that thrives with lies. Look at me now. I'm live here talking. I just mentioned it the hour. It's California here. But they put me on social media that I have died. I lost my. They have died. Anybody who did that thing you wish me, I wish it to you, and it will come to you. No, you can't. In fact, you can never escape it. But don't let me give you date so that I don't fall into trouble. Except you stop that rubbish. Go and check in all the posts I've been making. I have never wished Nnamdi Kanu death. I have never wished someone Ekpa death. I don't wish people death. If you watch my video on what happened to Gentle, towards the end of that video, I gave an illustration how they come to attack, shoot where Gentle was staying. And I said that why we didn't see the cops. After sharing my story, I said, what's his name? Makeup. You are my brother. I speak to you as a priest. You can turn a leaf, change. If I cannot wish the makeup that have been buying people here and there, I didn't wish him to buy. I want him to repent. How much more other people? I maintain. I was discussing with Ijele, God in heaven. I am on a live video. And Ijele, somebody can ask him. I was discussing with Ijele last week or 2 weeks ago, thereabout. I said something to him. I like what you are doing, exposing the wickedness of the people say they are detectives for Biafra, both Nnamdi Kanu. But please, don't say you are going to buy him. Leave him to him so that if he buy tomorrow, they will not hold his blood in your hand. He started laughing. You know, he respects me. As onyara nwere enyi, ọ na-asọpụrụ m. Ọ dị ka mmiri Igbo ngene misi ha Igbo. As onyara nwere iwe, as onyara nwere enyi. He respects me. He was just laughing. I said, yes. Oh, Nnamdi, for me, tomorrow, and some of you have the God, go and check all my posts. Whatever I'm posting is the truth. I made a post that we are not Igbo. We are not Biafra. We are Igbo. but rather Igbo joined the people of Biafra to form Biafra. That is the truth. Somebody made a video. I don't know why an Igbo man will be saying he's not a Biafra. I am not a Biafra. My ancestors came to this world as Ndebo. I maintain the originality of my ancestor. The Bible said, do not remove the ancient landmark. The book of the Proverbs chapter 22 verse 28. Do not remove ancient landmark. The ancient landmark is, I am Igbo man. Biafra came somewhere. And when Biafra came, it was adopted by Ojukwu. They declared it and it didn't hold anywhere. How can I not? I now wrote that I'm an Igbo man. Somebody say, we can't differentiate Igbo from Biafra. Are you okay? Biafra that started in 1967. Some people will say that Biafra started in 1940, before the war. Yes, there was a mention of Biafra by the Portuguese. And they said there's a map of Biafra even before the, yes, there's a map of Biafra before the war. It was the map that the Britain the Portuguese gave to that geographical location to enable them to discover where they normally come for their business. And that particular geographic location includes Cameroon. Cameroon is included. Even Lagos, because anywhere they see the same toward the river. Even Lagos, they call it Biafra in those days, because they are all in coastal region. They are all very close to the water. So he went to tell me now, are you going to use? So they were using, see, this is Biafra. They circulate a map. That's the map, the old map of Biafra came into existence, so that they will know exactly where they normally go for their trade and their business. They didn't call it as a country. It only came as a country during Ojukwu declaration. And the people that were naming that were Bayelsa, Nembe, Opobo, Boni, those living in the river. That's why they become the original Biafra. It was a Bayelsa man that introduced that name, and Ojukwu adopted it. So how can I become something that started, a name that came from Mafra of the Portuguese? He said, I am Biafra, I'm no longer Igbo. Am I okay? That is my post. They were making video that I don't know what I'm saying. No problem. And insulting themselves. I never insulted. I made a video yesterday when they said that Simon Ekpa had been released. I made a video saying how I wish they will know their time has expired. It's on my Facebook. Go and watch it. Let them know that their time has expired. So even if it's released today, he has lost some relevance. I maintain it. Call me anyway. Some people, they are writing, we will screenshot it. Screenshot it. Let me write them now. I am bound to own up whatever I wrote. And who I was referring for was Simon. But do you know, people were telling me, even if Simon, they can't come out today, it was better than you, better your generation. Started insulting their generation. I never mentioned that. I didn't mention Simon, but I was really referring to Simon. See, even if they release him, he has lost relevance. That was whom I was referring for. Some of my posts I make these days, I don't call anybody name, but they'll attribute to that I'm talking to them. Now, let me address the issue why I came here. Look at what Uchechi Kano just said about his husband. That they should release, say, don't allow my husband to buy in the SSL. Kano wife begs Justice Omotosho. But it was the same Uchechi Kano that someone told us that divorced Nnamdi Kanu before he went to prison. Didn't he say so? Please, those of you who are watching, didn't you hear it? Simon said it. Let me hear from the comment section. Did Simon not tell you that Nnamdi Kanu divorced his wife? Didn't she say so? Didn't he say so? The same person that told us that Nnamdi Kanu divorced her before he went to prison. Someone told us the same thing. Someone told us that the late Ifanyoba was sleeping around with her. Someone told us the same story. The same someone told us that Ifeanyi, is it Ejimako? The first lawyer of Nnamdi Kanu, is it Ejimako? The other one, what's his name? Ifeanyi Ejiofor was sleeping with her. That it was Ifeanyi that gave birth to the other child. They normally go and present to Nnamdi Kanu. Someone said it. It was someone that told us that this woman was sleeping with what's his name? Ediabale. What's his name now? Asari de Kubo. Someone told us that. Now, the same somebody that have divorced his husband is the one now begging the justice, please do not allow my husband to buy in custody, in cell. But the same someone told that they had divorced, insulting the wife of his so-called master. The same, that's one. How many lies of Simon will I mention? Number 2 lie, another lie that someone told us. He said that it was defined about private jet that brought Nnamdi Kanu back. Some of you have kept quiet. You are no longer talking about it. That it was defined about that sold Nnamdi Kanu. This was what made that they almost said that they were not going to bury Ifeanyi Ubah in his hometown. Some foolish idiot came out. We are protesting that they will not allow Ifeanyi Ubah to be buried in Imbu because of the lies of Simon Ekpa. We made video. So why are we turn other like this? Even no Simon told you people now the private jet here, no be trained in the Kanu. Uno Sinagi Agahelia Nalana. If not the power presence of the military. So they wanted to go there to destroy that particular thing. All because accusation that they both Simon fight about Kejime attack severally. Someone told us that lies. Now, to debunk that lie, God in heaven now made the current leading counsel of Nnamdi Kanu, what's his name? Barrister Ejimako. Ejimako made a live video and shared how Nnamdi was captured in Kenya. It was private jet of the Kenyan military. I was so happy. I listened to that broadcast from beginning to the end. He said that Kenyan military brought him and went back. But Simon told us it was the private jet of Ifeanyi Ubah. Then I want to bring out all the lies this guy told us. To tell you that why they are telling us he has been released is what he taught them to tell lies. An organization that thrives in lies. The same thing is Simon told us that I want to remember all these lies. And all of you carried the same lie. The first time he told people that Bafra was come unfailingly in February 14th or 28th in 2023. 2023. And people were buying people because of it. I told him, I made a video saying, if Bafra come, I will call Simon to thank him and give him 2 million naira. Bafra didn't come. Some young boys lost their life in a way to go and stop the election. He now changed that he's going to be declared Bafra in December 2nd. I was preparing towards it. And I told him, I made him say, if it happened, where is he today? Because I spoke with this Simon in several occasions about some activities of his boys. Simon didn't stop them. They were busy buying people here and there. And I was saying, Simon, you are my brother. Please, please, please. Simon will come on live. We'll be drinking and be dancing. Now today, you guys are making a video. Somebody even make all this Bafra Unite. I have never seen a liar from pit of hell like that guy. He thought he's hiding. Any day I remember him, he will be shocked. Any video he want to make, and he must call my name. I saw one video. I don't watch it, but people, when they yell my name, they will send to me. Sometimes I watch, sometimes I don't watch, because I know, why would I watch a liar? They carry the video. All they want is the YouTube money they will make from you. They will raise them up with liars. Look at their caption. Tinubu just peed on his trouser after watching Simon Ekpa jumping out of the jail. The Hope Uzodinma just ran away from his room when the Biafra Liberation Army confronted him in his own house. Give people so all quite the same news in no way. Rubbish. Hey, there is a jubilation as Nnamdi Kanu destroy the zoo. Kelebo destroy here. Now watch. Yeah, we hear somebody go, why not make ego? Stop standing against them. Swallow them. Then you make your money in YouTube. What the person say against it. Ya brumi haro. Namji or brande mad. Ntohachi can make ego. Video I put up there, we hope you heard against me. I will answer before God Almighty. I will answer before God Almighty. I see someone not to go rule in this struggle. Yeah, go now towards the close more to December. Yeah, my brokers. When we talk about the Bafra coming, it's not as if Bafra is going to come. What we are trying to say is that Nigeria will be delegitimized. Bafra will be installed, and the battle will start like Venezuela. We can fight for 40 years. Hi. Some people still believe him and be calling him prime minister. A prime minister of a country in prison. They have accused what's his name? Netanyahu of war crime because of the war. But can't pick him now. Go and pick him now. A president of a country, prime minister of a country. They have accused Putin as committed war crime. Go and pick him and arrest him. But they pick this guy like a chicken. He's in cell. And people are writing here, Simon Ekpa has been released and $50 million ransom was paid to him as the zoo representative could not show up. Shame on all you people. Shame on all you people. How can you stoop so low? Yeah, each of a country just share video on. Buying with Bafra guy, Bafra baby. Each of a country, you want me to follow you, you want me to believe you and work with you? That is why I cannot join the Biafra. They say, join the agitation. I should join agitation of liars. The same set, Leia Uche Chukano, Cobra na dia divorce, Leia na kona na dia. Or Utaka, this woman and name may prostitute, yeah. Gain a banter, Apotra, when the man, a woman, a show. Yet, someone na to Ashina, you still believe him. Ono Hunubo, but autonomy here. We're autonomy, I don't want to share the story how Otahan will be an aka. Ya korunu dibia se who they believe where we know how Otoshi Neni Shiruyaka. We know the story, but he came and lied to you people. When he lied, Asia, can you bring evidence of the dibia? Send the thing. Till today, someone didn't give the number out. And some of you still believe him. Prime Minister. Ihe on emekwadunu. You are not soon, you know, now a convict, a convict in a prison. Now we are prime minister. Our prime minister, about to I just want to manage my words because everyone unyara. Now you got up and I will battle be. I handed to Chineke, can to one bash in 1985. Age more than 10 years taught this guy. Age is the more than 10 years taught this guy. And I put an up to be ya neko. Ya ring any Sunday. I will give you with a Maya. I decay. Coat ya fulelu. Oh, be now about one deal. Because boy, I don't care because I know that it's a criminal that talk telling lies. Oh, when you court has confined him a terrorist. So now the same I can't jijina I told her she na man wanna. I go on social media picture na man wanna. All na nwere picture na the canon na must feature someone but they no wanna. Akuna ya wunjo. Unu wa commit all ihe ọma. Onye ọzọ mee ya a ga-egbu ya. I want to get them that now the cap that he's not threatening me. Now how I people get bullied him, but don't soon an a boom mad. I can soon an a boom mad. No, no, and when he had the kind of money, I'll come going to work on the cook here. I don't want to pretend that the canon. Now let me talk about the Onesim Koku Basara, the Laha, the Ugu. The bandit dialogue with it. I want to Juno. Why are you people surprised that Nigeria is discussing with the bandit? Why are you surprised? Is it not because of this kind of character? Meruno just happen from Nigeria. Nigeria is a failed state, a failed country. Or Nigeria they promote terrorism. Imana Nigeria will again me right happen Nigeria by the way. And Nigeria now for them wanna give just how up their president. Or we want idea. Don't you know Nigeria is a jungle? It's a place that guy am described here. So now if they are discussing with the terrorists, all women are the terrorists they breed up for to use it to attack Jonathan. The thing now is buying them. Now, and go and watch a regional Fulani that will buy a Fulani man. And that is why the same Fulani people who started that thing, who started that bandit, that they weren't calling them because Hanaga is bandit. All the way terrible thing, only an empowerment. Can you go there? This is my jacket, Mark. One of got the jacket. Let me show you people something. Uno here. Uno here. Okay, let me leave it. Get this my bulletproof one. Okay. Let me. Uno home now. Uno home. In the Facebook, from Bafra. I want to hear Tin can go through the first duku. Tin hear something now. Udu moral on enye. Udu moral on enye. Ebasak. Ebasa na agaga. And my guy. I don't want to mention things. I want to soon go boom. Mambata. Nso bade. Yem jira barachi mi na amato. Mgbe obule hụrụ m yiri ya. Nke mkpuchi obi m. Kebe tinye na eso. Tinye ya na eso na ahụ. Were kwe something dewe ya n'akụkụ. Mụ na one man's Ford. Ihe m ji na-akụrụ gị ahụ. Enwere mgbe a ga-asị enwere ụbọchị a na-aga n'ụzọ. Ndị ori na-eme operate n'ụzọ. Ụzọ Port Harcourt Road. That day, anọ m n'egwu. So one man ji pump action ya. As let's go. I know we all block or the man aga mepe boot dọpụta da akpara je. Ndị niile nwere the thing on along the way say let's go. I follow. Agma kọrọ the story ihe gara there. Despite my praise, ihe nne m as onye m go before na ga agwụ ihe akwafube m ọbara before. I can boast to you. Remember I prayed before I started this broadcast. Ihe niile m mere na military ka m kuzie ekonono. Ihe oge niile m nọ na military akwafube m ọbara. Ụfọdụ ọ maka akwafu ọbara bịa tụọ ashị. Also the Hemenen Jew withdraw from military. I akpọrọ m ịkwafu ọbara ashị. Akpọrọ m ashị. Because onye ahụ ị na-egbu ị ga-ekenwu ya. Akpọrọ m ya. And ihe m na-ewe m n'ebe Nnamdi Kanu na Tiranwo ọ maka ịkwafu ọbara. Onwe ihe ọzọ. And I will not wish mmadụ ka ịkwafu ọbara. But I will pray. Ihe ọbụla o metara ya sowe ya. Let them declare judgment on him, either to release him or to keep him there. I don't stop anyone achievement. Ndene protest, I don't stop them, but I will preempt and tell you the result of that protest. Now it's a separate video. Now back to what I was saying. Nigeria is known for this kind of thing now to negotiate with the terrorists or to negotiate with the Remewe. So how do you expect the same Nigeria to treat you as Igbo man the same way? Or we might have that name when Nigeria. Okay, now I want you to why are you people making agitation going upon Nigeria? Is it not because of that kind of character I pour from Nigeria? Then go and cheap on the bonus onye ndị iro gbara gburugburu na-eche ndị ya nche. Ị chọrọ ịpụ na Nigeria gị ga-buru onwe gị tụnye n'aka ndị n'iro gị. Na-eme unguided utterance. I was just listening to one of his broadcasts. Ya sị ebe unu chọrọ ka ekwe na radio. Ekwu some secret thing na kwesị ikwu na outside. Ị na-ekwu ya na radio. Because ọ pụtara ensas na-agbasa ndị Biafra unu. Ensas na-agbasa Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi eburu ensas buru ya n'isi. Then, so in a same way, maka na ndị Nigeria negotiate with the terrorists. All omenala ha. It is their all the bumbu na-eme. Or go and learn all over the world. How you zụcha those boys? A na-esetụlụ ha. Ha na-amụ ma kpọ ha ga zuru Chibok gas. Ka ha nwụ ma agbọbịa ha ga na-akwaraba iko. The only difference was when he stood, they have overpowered them. They can't take away Ekpa from them. That is what you did against. Nnamdi Kanu gaga chọta egbe me launch a security officer. Onye nyere ya license. Mgbe o bidoro ya, agụmatụkwa ashị, I dịkwa happy. Because that I was supporting you guys. But I will always tell you people the truth. Couldn't name but I was still supporting it. Even I made a video. One video minute. People are saying that I'm mean. Man, look, that monster now, that particular when you're a mini, like we hot on usuri. A post to a bono graga boom mother. Ono say no ashi. Ufore boy Simon Ekpa. Ufore boy that just as I talked to you now, every mark 3 days ago. That particular Okochukwan post on my Facebook page. Onya garaba bono le ni higeni sit at home. What can mad na make sit at home ya? On a may have Biafra me shike. Now they're not gonna be till their commander. Can we take exam since we are not walking around? The commander says, okay, since we now got put on a garden over there, let the exam on. And the guy was happy. Kelekwe the guy, whatever he kele name here, unu megara here, na one day Bafra ga, hey, kele ofuma. Ka ọ ga pick him vigilator laghachi back. Ndị asị why jina ya n'ụzọ ya sị akwapịrị mbe ahụ news asị m gaba asị oke ọgụnwa ya ofu onye amapụta nwanne ọdebe he nye anyị foonu gị ka ya piji foonu kpọ ndị iro anyị ndị amị ya ubiọma ya were foonu nye ha that ije ahụ ọ gara wee bata ndị amị arọshi ya bịawa na the school na the church say gị na ndị ESN na-arụkọ yes no ha chọcha ahụ ndị ESN na ndị amị batara drive ọ bịawa na the school na abịara na abịarụta ha ndị amị na-apụta ha jamụzi along the road there ịgba kpọpe agbagbu mmadụ atọ na ESN gbagbu mmadụ abụọ na ndị amị the following morning nwa ya nwoke nwa onye amị abịa kpọọ oku ka ọ jụọ ha afọ because the boy nọ na amị nwa katkis ya ihe pike ka ọ kọchara papa edochi ma ya soke ka ya bụ ụkọchukwu ọ makwa na fon na ụkọchukwu ka nọ n'aka ndị ESN azala fon ha hụzi Colonel Johnson nwadike azụ oke na aka fọm ọ na chukwu oke abịa ma gbalụ onye ọtọ obere ya na na-arụkọ wit ndị amị ha drive wit moto back ya land ya gwa ya sị gị na ndị amị na ndị army ya sị no never kwelu ya sị na ọwụ ya nwa so what he did was he president ha gosi ya that phone that's okay na this number the only number onye amị nọ na my phone na ọkwa nwa catkis ihe o ji nọ na phone na nwa catkis gị ya na-akpa dịka nwa catkis nọ nda him na ọwụ nụ chọọ phone ga-aga jọ dị mana ọ bụ na ha wụ nọmba nwa ya ma ọkwụrụ na hụ another number na my phone ihe ọbụla sọrọ men m onye Igbo hụrụ onye ụkọchukwu etere mmanụ n'otu a can't you just respect that thing gaa jụọ the man ọ hụzie na ọ tọrọ achị ma na enwere dị iche hekwa ha ga-ajụ the tema atụtụ ga agbagbu ya as I talk to you na nwaanyị nwoke ahụ nọ dị agbagbu di ya BP ebido mewe dị gị that BP egbuole that woman now ụmụaka atọ ndị ahụ na awụla orphan enweghị ha nne enweghị ha nna mụọ na awụzi their father ọmụ awụzi their father now akọrọ m nkọ this story for the Simon Ekpa Simon ebidebe mewe operate that time agbagburu that man on 14th September Nnamdi Kanu was arrested in June 2021 so mgbe I'm arrest mgbe aka Nnamdi Kanu bịa send that transmission zie Simon tụọgbawa broadcast ndị DOS ajụ na ọ ga-abịa nwe iyi na ọ ga-use Radio Biafra so they were still in battle on Radio Biafra DOS esi tinye sitato maka release of Nnamdi Kanu so ọwụ Simon mere nke ahụ nke o mere ama ekwu ya nke o mere ama ekwu ya ọwụ Simon mere nke ahụ all the DOS nọ initiate ya otu aka shigbo onye ụkọchukwu ahụ na nwunye ya nwụọna out of that heart ihe mere di ya 3 years ago 2 years ago 2021 the woman anọ na ụmụaka agbala aka nwatakịrị afọ ole ka nwatakịrị dịkwa the girl mecha kwụsị onwe school ya na-agụzi n'ụwa agwụla and I have to create a platform nọrọ dị na-enyere ha aka ana mara unu ọnụ nwa ndị nwere obi mmadụ biko join ya m ka amada ma hapụ isi if you know you have a good spirit you can join me can I support that girl because since I matara the girl I've been paying her every month ka o ji na-aga school a post so ya una ahụ such post ogo na feel na ọwụ ọgụ ihe ka gị kpawi deny na ọgụ ma ọgụ he said sorry biko so sorry but I don't think nobody was so egbenu that igbu mmadụ anaghị apụta unu n'anya ọ dị very easy we go follow we go kpai am keep on kpain gba obi ụtọ nwere nwe onye ji ndụ ya o metụ unu n'obi ahụrụ m aka ọkwa this guy bere begide akwa anya mmiri eju m anya ya sị what am I going school for? What am I going to school for? Now, if not that somebody like me is there to encourage her, this guy will drop out of school. I want to drop out of school. Onyema Hiyoga a terror to society. Now, une egbuole da ụmụ ya abụọ ndị nwoke mma na n'obi n'ihi aneme freedom. That ball ga-ebu wound n'obi dị ato in his life. Any dị ga-agwa ya okwu bịa before gị Bafra ya sị gị thunder gbagbuo gị. Onye ọ ga-agwa unu. Egbuole that guy mma ụmụ ya abụọ ndị nwoke. A post so such a thing. Ye ka gị mkpa wee gọgide agọ ọwụgwọ the good story na human being ya human being onye Igbo onye ozu ya tọgbọrọ o metụ unu n'obi ikwu ma ọ na ndị ka na Simon Ekpa on the Zoom mere ya on the DOS on the DOS hey kedu mgbe ndị Igbo do this level ịgbakwa ọbara na-atọ anya ụtọ ka mmiri all this thing ka m na-eme hụ m na-eme post ka wụpụ akịrị ọjọọ asị na a ga-egbukwe mụa. Oh, I don't want to boast. I don't like boasting. I'm coming to Nigeria, but I will announce when the time comes. Can't be clear now. I'm coming to Nigeria. And neighbor location on Neba. I repeat, I am coming to Nigeria. It may not be this year, it may be this, I don't know. But okay, ready. I will tell you people when. Son of Nigeria, Biano. I'm a Ela here on Nigeria, Uno Buchale. Ela here, Ijele, Uno Boli Jele. Ijele Nigeria. On a good ha, I got me burial one year why last year. Me burial Lauro, me got a panoni Akano. Or will I beg to her on Facebook? For better my DM, Hannah, don't watch your more for me in my DM. I didn't talk to you. You are dead. You have Gala. Because some of them let can't agree to something. Get up on Nagi. I will not talk to you. Chinekem Ganyepa back. That is why I don't talk to you. Oh, now retaliate, Chinek and I'm get back. But if I don't retaliate, you are done. You are gone. You are gone. Eren Dala familiar now useless. Umaka wall fan. Ometo unu nobi. Yun konum pao. And there's oppose them man. Nigeria government. Nigeria terrorist group. You can't even say, oh, so sorry, oh. Mpota nambe na atoashi. No on the ears and when I war. So I just grew moon. You know, we're not Shinaga. We're not Shinaga. Eketra machine and the cannot one day. Let me talk this Ashana. I'm a monana like what I got gonia. Uno chetrembana and the can de Koku Hene Mena Asorok. One day I say na Osibanjo na emene ihe mere Buhari unu gecheta na ewelala Osibanjo azu ndị adịmeke na ndị Kanu na they listen to them very well. Yeah man azu kuja ihe okwuru na ọdịka Osibam na ewelala ya azu ọdịka enwere burial no minister for burial enwere burial logo sego na aga ka ọsa gara ebe ha hụ ya normal logo siri ga na ọdịka men after Obeja breaker Olu 645 days. Excuse me. Olu 645 days. Osubanje Mapia. Osubanje Mapia. Nnamdi Kanu came up with a damage control. And when I can't remember what he said. Well, on I didn't make a a high jump. What the word you put to here? On a quaka. Oh, yeah, do. Watching that. Hey, Nsindibo. Somebody just told you lies. No, somebody that can warn. No, only place here. They full and janja with them. And many are able. That was what he was saying. Osubobe Mapia, Equaria. Like what I did back, it didn't lie. But I said that Osuman just Zorezo for years. Okay, Brukwasha, we move. Why, Maraju? I show mother gave Boagole. Apawa Yubago. Mother got to show Gikwin and when I show Nato. And when you weapon the government, the politician in Nigeria, as one of the things, Hane Diego, and as Unsaundoshi, Hane Diego. Okay. Well, I'm trying to hold myself, but I will come back. Now, let me finish Boko Haram. The Nigeria, all women are in a sponsor terrorism. They know what they are doing. Mainly APC government, all women are. Now, Nnamdi Kanu knows about it. Why didn't you guide your utterances so that you don't fall into their hand? Get on a public radio, siga ba ulo tiniboko, aba yoko. Get on a public Facebook radio, siga ba airport, international airport oko. Those videos are there. Ndana sina we human. So Tinibu awara born again. Chefo no go siga ba ulo yoka ba TVC oko. Unechefo no kulia na radio. So Tiniba wala no Chineke onye obi ebere chefu ya na ndị mere ya unu si na Tinubu si na ọ chere release ya na governors ndị Igbo jụrụ ajụ unu ma the power of presidency unu ma udike ndị president Nigeria nwere ya actually release somebody ordinary governor stop ya ọ dịgo tam nọ na achọ m ka release iji wee mad asịrị na Jovika achọ ka release ama Tinubu release get since Jovika onye u Jovika na ebe the power of president nọ ndị Igbo believe but ndị na but the very dark man ebidokwala another one now ọsụdịla ndị Igbo billionaires the ọha ma na-achọ tomorrow na gị hụkwa enwere kemere kwuwa asị na ahụ Kuba na ya gbagbuo ya Now those people, gini ka ha mere ya, you know be ha kwuru okwu Biafra before. Ihe na-emekwa unu ndị na-egbu onwe ha. Ọnwụ na-abịa kwuo okwu ka maybe mee post against ụmụaka okoko na ndị mochi ndị egide ha, unu dewere m onye gburu nwanne ya bụrụ odogwu, mana onye gburu Obi Kuba na awa odogwu kwa ya n'ihi na o gburu ya n'ihi Biafra. Enwere eze ohiri, don't call me, enwere eze ohiri a na ụmụaka enwude na-eteretere ya na Nnamdi Kanu, so onye ọbụla na-achọ Biafra ya ga-agba ya. Ụmụaka na-eteretere nna ha, a man, a grown up man, ụmụaka na-eteretere ya in the name of Nnamdi Kanu ziri ha. Unu ahụ ya kọrọ ha aka. Men on ground. I want to end my broadcast by telling you people, listen. Mkpụrụ ọbụla ịkụrụ taa, ị ga-aghọrọ ya ma ụhụta ya ure echi. When you celebrate wickedness because you are not a victim or your relation a victim, one day you will reap a fruit of wickedness. It is only with time. So in my conclusion, Simon Ekpa is a bloody liar. I should not to runu. I just want to use this as an evidence. And one other one's injury, but the thing just escaped my memory. I share this guy to be the runu. Yet, uno na a prime minister uno. Che. I convinced when we did the first one, even when we did Hassel, he's a finisher, he's a military man, he's a good politician. Onye meno wena, abrabe soputuno. Onye brabe soputam. Come we take rovers is only soputuno. Ani bushisho mumado. Can you hear to stop life? I had one of his brokers about say, well, in the midst of this battle, and this civilian gang, all part of the game, all part of the struggle. Get the happiness, civilian war. It was China, here you prosecute Netanyahu, Israel, also the civilian no marker. But if somebody put on where prime minister, I think that civilian can die, no, like I'm going, well, all part of the struggle, but there, no more but the struggle without Ibu Mado. Kakoragaka. When they struggle by Ibu Shishun, their own people. Fulani can never buy their own people. Only him Fulani Ibu one day how. Yoruba Ibu one day. All him better than Uta Hana Ibu, but Yabu na cost around the government. How for negotiation. For the Haga Papa abroad, got Zuan at school abroad. Egoni na to na IPOB, Monke Simon, Elen Kumbado Name IPOB no or Opoga Ganation do ha. Always rebel, Bunya, how natural as a libo. Unquoya, how now money job, or one as a winner. Man saying not the wrong, as one DJ could not the wrong. Someone will sit at home, not now quite go. And with your leader, when the teenage sit at home, to punish in Dibo. And with that started the Kobo, how break a pipeline. You cannot think of here federal government when he got Judah hostage. You can't go there. Get at Umiba. Si close there. My put out there. Akara nego akara hagere. Give a gift of shakara. One nigga borego, zurego, birego, zrupis na credit. Zoro hekare level weekend new me. Uno here na yak on a bonus of soon make sit at home. No lockdown, total lockdown. Obi ekwegi, agadi wine, a destroyer that thing. Under Simon Ekpa. Uno some way in them can kill uno. Chineke mere obi tom ihe obula owu na him na atugudu no washi. I will reap the fruit of my labor. I got dream na mma. Mana owu na m na ejoku na follow unu. The more you hurt and plan for my onwu ga-ezutochi unu. Lady tinye picture m na dream RIP. Ndị RIP to Simon ugba akwa unu say look at onye gburu nwanne ya bụ odogwu. Mana onye dere m ihe na ka ha odogwu. As I got in the comment section, I said that's fine. That's saboteur. Saboteur and take on one there. I need to man one. I'm a dendo. When we hear no gapo. I don't want to lay cost on you people. I'm watching my word. So that whenever I lay that cost, it will work. Onye agara boom na dere RIP na. Akun onye na akreaka. That idiot name broker said Bafra Unite. Oh, they could that name with them. Na mụ na edi ahụ na enwudere anyị na mụ na ya na-arụkọ wia ya edekwe na enwenye nke ọzọ na ọwa ebe ka edike ifeadị ya mere mere ma mara onye webu ka edike now. Finally, I've got to know who is ebe ka edike. O bere na brokers ya na ebe ka edike edi ahụ ọnụ na Jovika, they are all been the Kama is holding them. Mụ aka Kama na hold gịnị ka m mere unu na m so unu egbuchi ndị be anyị wepụ na aka na ogbu mmadụ. I will leave you people, but I dị gonna happy kamgbe June m bidoro kwuo ihe a. anyị nwere ndajụ unu ekuloro down ndị anyị na-efesi si na ndị ọga harvester ndị ji uwe police na-arụ ala and I will start broadcasting against them. Ndị ọbụla na-emegide ndị be anyị, I will voice it. Ofu ugboro ka mmadụ ga-anwụ bata unu a ga-egbuli ma Chineke akwadoghị ya, and Chineke ma a ga-were m tinye aka unu tupu unu a ga-emeli ihe ọbụla. Ekele m Chineke otu unu cool down now, I will stop down and say but unu cause damage na ala Igbo that I'm how to repair it. Cause damage tụtụrụ brain mba anyị laa n'iyi. Ọwụ na nwa onye ori na-eri ego ndị mmadụ. Enwere broadcast m mere gbasara ndị Fulani. You need to sit to ndị mmadụ na-akpọ m na nweta account number. So ọgwụ m na gị nwere account number m na otu ige ụwa public tomorrow ji ya mee ihe a ga-eme. I refuse to break account number. So ọwụ na m chọrọ ịna ịnụ ego mgbe ahụ aka m make million with that account with ihe Fulani a mere. Chinke na mgbe ahụ nọ ndị Fulani na-abịa until na ya eme investigation na ụmụ Igbo ji ndị Fulani na-arụ ọrụ. Ndị Igbo Chineke mere unu ebere o. I wait for my people. Thank you guys for watching. Please, if this video, link at the Uju, Oja, Kenneth, Simon, Ekpa are far better than you. I'm not going to compete on any better. Simon cannot be like me. I can never be like Simon. I don't compete with people. I am uniquely and wonderfully made. And Simon is better than you. I'm going to drag on any better. They are better than whatever they want to be. They are in their own world. I'm in my own world. But as long as Alibo is concerned, I will talk about it. I'm not competing with anybody. He is better than himself, and I'm better than myself at my own level. I'm a priest. It's not Oga match him na priesthood. Yawan where terrorists, I can't compete with him. He's better than me in terrorism. I couldn't make it. They are better than me in terrorism. They should continue. They are better than me in Igbo murder. They should continue. God bless you. Chosen table say I will live long. May you live long too. But we have to tell you people the truth. I don't want to, there are things I don't want to say. Boko Haram women and Nigeria. I'm not surprised. But you should have been very careful with his utterances so that Ogemo will implicate. When I say can never hang on or just because of command, I can't quit here live video. Let it be recorded. Because of because of command only. Boo my in-law. A young man got a touch on some bits of forest. Lota Kabe Tom Mama, Koga Goro Hena will be not over. Luto, how trans and diamond loquia, Totoria by a babu. Ome Jomehede. Nina say home military babu. Nkube ya saboteur. Then go on away bo Igbo awu saboteur. Omo say ebulu nwanne not the wrong Igbo ya mu saboteur. Chineke ga-akwụ achọ onye ọbụla dịka ụgwọ ọla yesterday. Thank you. Let me stop here, guys. Thank you guys for watching. The TikTok, we may continue.